My name is Vanessa Umblas. I'm from Apari, Cagayan, Philippines. I am 27 years old. I'm married, have three children, ages 10, 6, and 3 years old. And my religion is Roman Catholic. I have three sisters, and my educational attainment is a college graduate of bachelor degree holder of information technology. I've been working as a helper in Manila, Philippines, 2 years and finished contract. I serve 4 members of the family. I'm doing household chores like cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, ironing, preparing foods, and taking of the children. In the way of playing with them, reading stories, tutorial for their homework activities, and singing like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Dear Madam Sir, please hire me as your domestic helper. I am hardworking person, more patient, honest,